Hey everyone, it's Mike here. Thanks for watching and thanks for coming to today's video. I basically want to go through an Instagram blueprint with you to give you the best opportunity where no matter what the platform, whether it be Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever it is, I'll be teaching you and helping you to master them essentially. Okay, so let's dive into this. Now, if you've done 20 reels and nobody is watching those and they're the same style, same topics, the market is telling you it does not want it. That's the reality. You need to change your angle. You need to change what you're doing, the topics, what you're talking about, your location, different things like that. Okay. Create new content. Be a creator. Stop consuming. This is really important too. Don't be the consumer, be the creator. When you do consume, you do it tactically. You bookmark things, you recreate this content for yourself. Okay. You need to change your mindset and become a creator, right? Now, with going viral, most try sell without an audience. You need that audience. Audience is number one. If you have an audience, you can sell. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If you have an audience of enough people, you can sell anything. So focus on getting that audience and then sell. The money will come easy once you have the eyeballs. Now take advantage of trends. This is what I'm saying about consuming. Consume it correctly. Bookmark the trends. Recreate those trends for yourself. These are important pieces to go viral. Nobody owns a style and it's not saturated. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Look at certain people like Sam Ovens, Iman Gadzhi, Grant Cardone. They all have their own style, but there's plenty of people doing the same stuff and doing really well with it, okay? You are the unique part of the content, right? You are. Look at me here today. I'm not a big creator by any means. I'm sitting here, I'm talking, and you're listening to me. Okay, so you're the unique part of that content. Become that. Steal the rest and twist it for yourself. So again, if you see a good viral video, you can take it and you can recreate it for yourself and you can potentially go viral. Okay, this is possible. You can do this and it's not unethical. You're just twisting it for yourself. That's it. Someone else has the idea, you twist it for yourself and it looks different, but it's the same style, okay? And it's you in it, not them. Reverse engineer others' content. This is exactly the same thing. Look at what works, reverse engineer it. Now, follow this, okay? See what worked in the past and recreate it, right? Look at your old content. Okay, I got something that got 1,000 views, but everything else gets 200 views. Okay, let me see why that is. What's different about this? How can I recreate that? Recreate it, make it better, make it bolder. These are great points, okay? Same with YouTube videos, TikToks, anything. It doesn't matter. Lifestyle and actionable tips are important with Instagram. Okay, posting your lifestyle, posting whether it doesn't need to be crazy, okay? But it can be work, lifestyle, it can be what you just do day to day. It can be you grinding in the trenches, okay? It could be you going out for a dinner, you driving the car, out with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it may be, okay? Take that lifestyle stuff. Take advantage of it. Document everything you do essentially, okay? You have to become this creator, not a consumer. Actionable tips are important. People want to have the same lifestyle as you. They want to understand how you do it and conquer that. And you need to give them actionable tips on how to achieve that. Maybe it's location freedom. Maybe it's financial freedom. Give these tips to people, okay? Steal the rest and twist it for yourself. Again, this is back to my point. I'm going to continue beating this in and reverse engineer others' content, okay? Take advantage of other people's content, twist it, recreate it. That's that point again. Now, follow this strategy. 1 reel a day, 10 stories a day. That might sound like a lot, but after this, I could just take my phone here, boom, take a picture, YouTube video recorded. Perfect. That's all it takes. That's 1 story. Then later, I have calls. I can take two pictures on 2 different calls. That's 2 and 3. Maybe I screenshot a tweet. I upload that. That's number 4. Maybe I'm going to the gym. That's number 5, right? So you can actually add these up really, really easily if you learn how to create and get out of that consume mindset, okay? You can do a day in the life on a certain day. So pick a same day every week. Pick a day that people know they're going to get that day in the life and they're used to it, okay? Take a Wednesday or take a Saturday. Maybe your life's a bit more entertaining on a Saturday. You're going doing things, you do a couple hours work in the morning, then you go out, you go for a walk, you climb a mountain, you drive the car, you drive the fast car, you go for drinks at night time, go for a dinner, whatever it may be. That's an interesting day. Like, there's a lot of people not in that situation that can't afford to do that, literally can't do that due to a lot of different reasons, and they'll appreciate that and love to see that and want to have that lifestyle as well. 2 Q&As per week on certain days. So do Q&As, put it up on your story, right? This is not an issue. Okay, I've duplicated two Q&As here. My accident, my bad. But yeah, do that. Okay, you can do even a live if you want. Go live. You can talk to people, get on calls with people. This is all important. But Q&A, simply put up a question and have the answers there. Let people ask you questions as well, okay? Watch trends and use them. Again, back to this point, all right? Posting structure, speak with a caption, right? When you're posting a video, you can have a caption above it, right? So it summarizes the whole video in like 3, 4, 5 words, okay? And that's it. And you're speaking then about that topic. So it catches people in with that caption, then you speak about it, okay? With lifestyle stuff, you can do a lot of this with text as well. You can have a video of lifestyle and say, oh, it used to be this, now I'm doing this, right? Different things like that. That'll work well. A flex client, results with text. Have an image, a screenshot of a win, and then talk about it, right? That's simply it. A save post that go viral and recreate. Set a day for content and clips. So set a Monday. Okay, you can hire a videographer. You can just take notice of, okay, I want to create content on the Monday, whatever day it is. Maybe it's a Sunday for you, it doesn't matter. And just pick one day where you go out for a couple hours, you take loads of content, you go to 2 or 3 different coffee shops, hotels, you go to the gym, whatever it may be. Make it for creating content that one day, okay? And clips. So that's the posting structure of Instagram. What you should do on Instagram, it's relatively straightforward. You just need to actually, the differences between the people that do this and don't is literally the action takers. You need to take action. You need to have this and move forward with this, okay? Any questions, ask away in the comments. I'm going to be following this very, very soon and pushing forward on this. Of course, my priority is Twitter always and then YouTube, but Instagram is definitely a profitable place to be. So let's take advantage and let's grow on Instagram. Take care. Talk soon.